McCabe Ranch. A select few know about this hidden secret tucked away in the heart of old Snowmass. Picture a place where you are surrounded by uninterrupted mountain vistas, overlooking vast rolling pastures with horses quietly grazing in the sunlight. Serenity and peace fills your soul the moment you arrive home. For the first time in generations, the heart of this iconic ranch is being offered for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Steeped in rich heritage and tied to deep family roots, McCabe Ranch offers an extraordinary legacy built on long-standing traditions. Nestled in the Capitol Creek Valley, McCabe Ranch represents the epitome of the Colorado ranch lifestyle. Rarely will you find this kind of compound that encompasses it all. Enjoy complete tranquility and privacy amidst an exceptional setting characterized by rolling pastures, irrigated meadows, and awe-inspiring 360-degree mountain views. Witness firsthand the beauty and excitement of horses thundering up the field in a local polo match, or ride out on your own and lose yourself in the serenity and peace of the ranch's resolute landscape. The entire property has been developed to include only a few special estates while embracing the preservation of open space in the area's rich ranching history. Superior water rights and extensive trails with the best amenities and recreation available for your Colorado adventures. Located just 30 minutes from the renowned Aspen Snowmass ski resorts, the ranch features multiple home sites with completed approvals and vesting rights. This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for someone looking to experience authentic ranch life and inherit a legacy that will live on for generations to come. For more information, contact Terry Rogers, Aspen Snowmass, Sotheby's International Realty.